Many people suffer from onychomycosis, sometimes known as toenail fungus. Inflammation, swelling, discoloration, and thickness or cracking of the nail are a few symptoms. High levels of skin acidity, a weakened immune system, feet that are constantly in moist environments like sweaty shoes or socks, poor cleaning practices, and diabetes are among factors that promote the growth of the fungus. Toenail fungus, if left untreated, can result in splitting, cracking, and even complete loss of the toenail. Fear not, toenail fungus can be treated without even breaking the bank. The infection can be cured with a variety of home remedies in 1 or 2 months. Here are some strategies for treating toenail fungus. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil treats toenail fungus by battling bacteria and fungi. Infections of the skin of different types are also treated with it. 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil should be combined with a few drops of tea tree oil. Apply the mixture to your toe with a cotton ball. After 10 minutes, leave it on and gently scrape the nail with a toothbrush. Till the nail is cured, repeat this procedure 2 or 3 times daily. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Due to its acidity, apple cider vinegar can aid in preventing the spread of toenail fungus. It also eliminates fungus and bacteria concurrently. Apple cider vinegar and water should be combined in equal parts. 30 minutes a day, soak your toenail in the liquid. After finishing, thoroughly dry your toenail. It will work wonders if you do this every day for a few weeks. 3. White vinegar. Because it attacks the infection and helps balance the acidity of the skin, white vinegar is a fantastic treatment for toenail fungus. Combine 2 parts warm water and 1 part white vinegar. For 10 to 15 minutes, soak the toenail in the liquid. Rinse and thoroughly dry your foot. Until the fungus is gone, repeat this procedure twice daily. Remark: if this irritates your skin, increase the amount of water in the mixture and bathe your foot in it every other day rather than daily. 4. Baking soda. Most kitchens contain baking soda, which is also useful for treating toenail fungus. Additionally, it can aid in odor blocking for feet. To 4 cups of boiling water, add 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. After thoroughly combining the ingredients, add 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Spend around 10 minutes soaking the toenail in this mixture. Clean your foot with water, then thoroughly dry it. For a few weeks, perform this twice each day. 5. Garlic. Allicin and ajoin, which are found in garlic, can destroy fungi and treat toenail fungus. Equal parts of white vinegar and garlic oil should be combined. Apply the mixture to your toenail and the area around it, then bandage it. Remove the bandage after a few hours of wearing it. Repeat this daily until it heals. You can produce your own garlic oil if you don't have any on hand. 2 smashed garlic cloves should be fried in 2 tablespoons of olive oil before the oil is strained. 6. Listerine mouthwash. Mouthwash contains alcohol, which can kill germs and protect against harmful bacteria and fungi. It can be used to treat toenail fungus as well as to eliminate bacteria and germs in the mouth. Fill a small tub with Listerine mouthwash or a mixture of Listerine and white vinegar in equal parts. Spend around 30 minutes soaking the toe in the mixture. After that, softly scrub the toenail. Rinse it off, then thoroughly dry your toe. Until it recovers, perform this action once or twice every day. 7. Oregano oil. Oil of oregano destroys bacteria, viruses, fungus, parasites, and germs while also reducing pain. These factors make it an excellent tool for the treatment of toenail fungus. 1 teaspoon of olive oil is combined with 2 drops of oregano oil. Apply this concoction to the injured toe. At least 25 minutes should pass with it on. Wash it off, then thoroughly pat dry your toe. For it to be effective, repeat this 1 to 2 times every day for 3 weeks. These treatments will only be effective if you apply them correctly. For the treatments to be effective, use them for at least 1 or 2 months. You can treat your toenail infection and prevent it from recurring again if you maintain using them. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.